I'm going to walk you through how we create the project. We begin by recreating the client's actual property layout in our design app so they can visualize the space. Then we add the features they want, allowing them to see how everything will look before construction starts. Once the client approves the additional layout added to the plan, we move forward with the project. For this one, we'll be installing pavers and adding white pebble stone. First, we install weed control fabric over the planter bed. This helps prevent weeds from growing through the surface while still allowing water to drain into the soil. Once the fabric is properly placed and secured, we add the white pebble stones on top. These stones give the planter a clean, decorative look, while also helping keep the area neat and low maintenance. Now that the planter is complete, we move on to installing the pavers. We start by removing the grass and clearing the area, then level and flatten the ground to create a stable base for the pavers. This helps ensure a smooth and durable finish.